Does staring at a long list of uncategorized bank transactions make you want to close QuickBooks entirely? If batch categorization feels like a secret superpower, you're not alone. Today, we're categorizing dozens of transactions in QuickBooks in record time. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. When transactions import from your bank feed, they often land in the Categorized or Review tab waiting for you to assign them to the correct account. The power of rules: set it and forget it. For recurring transactions from the same vendor, create a bank rule. Right-click a transaction and select Create Rule. Tell QuickBooks that future transactions from, say, Cloud Storage Incorporated, should always be categorized to Software Subscription Expense. The speed of batch actions. In the Banking tab, you can select multiple transactions at once. Hold Ctrl or CMD on Mac to select several non-adjacent transactions, or Shift to select a block. Then, use the Batch Actions drop-down to assign them all to the same payee or category at once. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the Find function for similar transactions. Before creating a rule, use the search/filter bar in your banking feed to find all transactions from a specific vendor. This lets you select and categorize them all in one go, which is a huge time saver. So, just like that, you can slash the time you spend on data entry. Efficient categorization goes a long way in having up-to-date, meaningful financial reports. Now I'm curious, what's your most frequently used expense category? Office supplies? Coffee? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.